The Hyatt Place New Taipei isn't a luxury hotel. No club lounge, no room service, but it ended up being our favorite family stay in Taiwan. If you're traveling to Taipei with kids, don't overlook this hidden gem. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. We're a family of 5 traveling the world, often reviewing hotels and sharing what it's really like staying there with kids. Today, we're taking you inside the Hyatt Place New Taipei, a hotel that surprised us in all the best ways. It may not have the bells and whistles of a luxury resort, but between the modern rooms, friendly staff, and kid-friendly pool, it turned out to be a relaxing and genuine stay in Taiwan. So if you're planning a trip to Taipei with kids or just want a peaceful base away from the crowds, this video will show you what to expect. After spending several nights at the Grand Hyatt in Taipei, we made our way to the Hyatt Place New Taipei. New Taipei City might not be on everyone's radar, but it's such a refreshing change of pace. New Taipei City is just a short drive from central Taipei, but feels like a whole different side of Taiwan. It's quieter, more relaxed, and gives you a real sense of what everyday life here is like, which we actually loved experiencing as a family. From the moment we arrived, we were warmly welcomed by one of the friendliest front desk staff members we've ever met, setting the tone for a great stay. He instantly made us feel welcome and apologized for not having a bellman. At check-in, we received an upgrade from a standard room to a deluxe 1 king bed, which is a corner room that is larger and brighter thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows on 2 sides. The room itself felt fresh and modern. The hotel only opened about 3 years ago, and you can definitely tell. Everything was spotless with a fresh scent. The bathroom had a sleek minimal design with a great walk-in shower, good water pressure and all the essentials. And as a welcome amenity, we received 2 apple cider drinks and 2 cafe drink vouchers. The only surprise was that there was an extra charge to have the sofa bed made up, which we hadn't encountered at other Hyatt Place hotels. Still, overall, the space worked well for our family. The Hyatt Place New Taipei has a coffee shop and 1 on-site restaurant, which serves breakfast, lunch and dinner. Both are run by a third party, but breakfast is included if you have Hyatt Globalist status or book an eligible rate. Honestly, the breakfast buffet really exceeded our expectations. The variety was quite impressive, with a lot of local and more international options. Definitely a big step up from what you typically find at Hyatt Place hotels in the US. We also had lunch here a couple of times, which was a semi-buffet with optional a la carte dishes like lobster. We just went for the buffet and enjoyed it, especially the dessert section with ice cream and macarons. The restaurant staff and management were so kind, always greeting our kids with a smile. All kids 5 and under eat free, and as hotel guests, we also received a 10% discount for lunch, which is a nice touch. In the lobby, there's also a vending machine with some travel necessities. The pool at the Hyatt Place New Taipei was a really pleasant surprise. Large, bright, and perfect for families with complimentary kids' goggles and kickboards. There's even a small splash area on the side for little ones with some pool toys. Since the main pool doesn't have a shallow section, floaties or life vests are definitely a must if your kids can't swim yet. The pool also closes twice a day for cleaning, so it's worth checking the schedule before you head down. Right next to it is a modern, well-equipped gym with big windows overlooking the pool area. There's also a really convenient common area on the 19th floor. It has a small kitchen with a microwave and coin-operated washers and dryers, perfect if you're traveling as a family or planning a longer stay. One of the best things about the Hyatt Place New Taipei is its convenient location. It's just a short walk to a nearby mall with plenty of restaurants, shops, a Japanese supermarket, a movie theater and even an arcade, perfect for families. There are also several convenience stores and banks within walking distance, though there isn't an ATM directly at the hotel. Getting around is easy too. Ubers are readily available and the ride into central Taipei is smooth, with most of the traffic concentrated in Taipei itself. Just a quick note, this hotel is quite popular with tour groups, so the lobby and breakfast area can get busy at times. We booked our stay at the Hyatt Place New Taipei using World of Hyatt points, and since this is a Category 1 property, it's an incredible value. We ended up staying a full 7 nights, extending our trip a couple of times. All nights were booked on points except for one paid night. Most of our Hyatt points come from transferring Chase Ultimate Rewards, which makes stays like this such a great deal for families. Overall, the Hyatt Place New Taipei really surprised us. It's modern with great staff and family friendly. If you're visiting Taipei and want a more local and affordable experience, this hotel is a hidden gem. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more family hotel reviews and travel tips. It really helps out our channel. See you at the next hotel. Bye!